Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from TechTalk, and in today's video we're unboxing and taking our first look at the brand new Huawei Watch GT2 Pro variant, which allows you to explore more, and that's what we're going to be doing today as we get it unboxed and also set up with our brand new Huawei P40 Pro Plus. So on the front here we have Huawei, you have Watch GT2 Pro, Huawei symbol, you get to see the watch itself. This is the special edition, and they're also offering a sports edition as well. So just coming around to the back here, we've got a bit more information, and it includes our color, which is nebula gray. They also offer night black, and then the gray brown with leather strap. So there's just some tabs here for the tape if you have nails. If not, you could cut through. Take the lid off. Sat on top is our watch from Huawei. So I'm just going to take this out. I'm going to take a further look at this in a second. I do like that grey band though that they're offering. Looks really nice. A leather design there as well, which we saw on the previous generation of the Huawei GT watch. There's a little tab here that you pull. This opens upwards. So you've got another little tab here. So as this is the special edition model, we've also got the sports straps as well. And again, these are adjustable and changeable. Again, for when you're doing activities, and with this watch you can do over 100 different activities, which is really quite amazing. So underneath we have our cable for syncing, so USB-A to a USB-C connection there. So you also have your wireless disc that it just sits on now. There's no connection pin to this, it just sits on here, and this will charge up your watch. Great, pair that with the cable. And then finally you do have some booklets, so this is our quick start guide here, just giving you information. But as always, if you do have any questions or queries, drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. You've got your warranty card as well here. So remember, always register your warranty. Great, so that's the watch there and everything out of the box. Move this aside and we're going to bring in the phone and I'm going to go through the setup phase together. So here is our Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. So it has loads of different slots here for the right size for you. You can also switch to the sports band when you're doing water-based activities. And you have a buckle connection up here with two like straps then for the extra band. Along the side you do have two buttons, this side and around this side nothing at all. So let's press the top button. This will power on. Greeted with Huawei. While that's booting up, we're going to bring in the Huawei P40 Pro that I have here. Use the face unlock system, which is rocket fast, and we can go through the setup phase together. So we've got our charging mat here, so I'm just going to sit it on its charging pad. There we go, automatically connects and then begins to start charging, which is great. And I can just bring it up here and we can go through the setup phase. So first of all is English, and yes, this is correct. So tap on here. So pairing. It says on here, download the Huawei Health on your phone, then add the device. So you can do that on Android, you can do it on Huawei devices, or you can do it on iOS devices. But we're going to do it on the Huawei device here, and we're going to use the Huawei app gallery to download Health. It might already pre-downloaded to our device. So we could search for it. Health. Next. And okay, and okay. Brilliant. So it's got our details here and we can add device. So at the bottom here, we've got device. We can hit add. Then we've got to select what we're adding. So we've got smartwatch. Then it's going to select the new option. So it's just done some update there and brought along the new options that are available to us now. So we're going to go for Huawei GT2 Pro. Next. Allow. And allow. And okay. So allow all the time. There we go, it's found our watch here, so tap on this. Yes, this is great. And then it will begin to pair. There we go, you got a nice little sound there. Yes. Next, we can select the applications that we want to use. So we're going to go enable, and we can choose which notifications come through here. So I'm going to go update and we're going to go OK. So now it's saying about contacts and allowing contacts. Yes, we're going to allow because you can use your watch to call contacts. And again, allow. And now we're going to put the watch on. So here it is on my wrist, and they said you've got to have a finger length here, just between your wrist bone. So I'm gonna hit OK. We're greeted with the different watch faces that we can choose from here, and you can change and adjust, or you can select them. Let's actually have a look at the watch face. So swiping up, we've got no messages. Swiping down will bring us our widget area. So we've got do not disturb, you've got vibration, you've got other options, you've got Bluetooth, you can also see your battery here. We can also jump into settings. Pressing the button again will take us back. Swiping across will show other information. So my heart rate. Coming across, we've got stress. How stressed am I to record a video? Not that stressed at all. Weather. It's not the best of weather where I am at the moment. Music, so you can control and listen to music. And you can also use the Huawei earbuds as well, the wireless earbuds that you can use, which is great. Coming across here, we've got our rings to complete. So we see these on other models of smartwatches. And we're back to our face. And obviously you can scroll through either way, which is nice. So if you press the top button in once, it will show you all of your applications. And you can jump to different applications inside here. So much to do, and we will be going through a lot as well during the review, but I just wanted to show you how it works. You've got settings here, again, quite large, which is nice, and it's a 46mm display, and it's an AMOLED panel on here. So it looks very bright and very vibrant, and I'm looking forward to testing it out when we're out and about. And again, you can scroll through and change depending on you. Pressing and holding will give you the ability to change the face, and you can choose the best face for you. And you can also do this via the phone, as I've shown you. So you can find the best one that you want to use. This looks quite interesting, this one. Single tap, and we're ready to go, which is really good. So from comparison, we've got a circular design versus a square design. Which one do you prefer? I'm going to open it up to the comments. Which one do you prefer? Let me know down below. I really like the colour and the design of this. So you've got leather and you've got titanium design. Really nice and stylish there. So as I said, the watch comes in two different colours. We've got the Nebula Grey, or it comes in night black option. Mine comes with a grey leather strap, and it also comes with the sport strap as well, which is ideal for sport activities. I have the classic edition, but there is also a sports edition too. As I mentioned, it has a 46mm diameter in size, the watch face is, and it means it's really large and very easy to see, especially from my point of view as being visually impaired. It offers a 2-week battery life, but as I mentioned, this depends on the features used. And so, for instance, continuous heart rate monitoring would be one of those features that would impact the battery life. But we'll delve into that more as we go through the review. It's made from a sapphire glass and titanium body, and it looks really stylish and really elegant. It would suit all purpose of work. They've included golf, skiing, swimming, plus over 100 more activities that can be recorded. So any activity you're doing, your watch should be able to record it, which is really amazing. As I said, it's 46mm in size, or 1.39 inches, and it's an AMOLED display, which I think makes it very bright and very easy to read. As you can see, it was wirelessly charging, which is fantastic. So just put this on your desk, pop your watch down, and it will charge for you wirelessly overnight, or it will update during the day when needed. It offers 24/7 continuous heart rate monitoring, which is really important for our health, to make sure that we stay as fit as possible. If you are worried about your sleep, it will monitor your sleep throughout the night and give you a rundown of this every morning. And again, we'll go through this during the review. It also gives you the option to detect your oxygen saturation, which is really important during influenza and the COVID period. Our blood oxygen levels need to be monitored at all times to be improved, to make sure that we stay healthy at all times. It does offer Bluetooth calls, which will need your phone to be in the same area as you are, but you can call people through your watch. It has Huawei Share One Hop, where you can simply tap your phone and share images to your watch if you want to, and create your own faces. So when and where is it available, and how much is it going to be? So here in the UK, you can buy from Huawei UK and other retailers from the 5th of October. The price in the UK starts at £299, or there are fantastic offers when purchasing a Huawei device. you may get this as a free gift. So I recommend going and checking them out as well. But over to you, the audience. What do you think? What do you think of the new watch now it's unboxed and ready to go? And I've shown a little bit about this during the unboxing and while I'm talking about the key features and specs. But during my review, I'll bring you all the key features and showing them in greater detail. But you, my audience, that's watched this video, let me know what you think down below by leaving a comment. I think paired with the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, it's a great pairing. I'm looking forward to tracking my exercise. We can also put this in comparison with the new Apple Watch and also the previous generation to see what the key new features are and see how well it compares on like a new battery, a new design, and improved software. For me, Ricky, thank you always for watching and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all of my latest videos. For me, Ricky, stay well, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.